Obviously I've spoken about filtration before and how we have filters here that we sell that are, I guess, much more cost effective than buying, say, heavily radio advertised brands that you'll be familiar with in South Australia. So this is the filter that our coffee machine was running from. As you can tell, look at that, it's absolutely destroyed. So it's actually deteriorated. So this probably should have been replaced a long time ago. But what do they say? Mechanics don't service their cars. People who sell filters obviously don't replace their filters. I've taken this apart, so that was screwed on there. And I've taken that apart, discarding the old filter, and then I'm just going to open up the new filter and put it in. They come with a tool. Chris, where's that tool? Oh, there it is. So a lot of the times these will be mounted under your sink, and you can just grab this tool and undo the thread using that. It'll give you enough leverage. You can see there's some holes here, so you can have that. There's a bracket that they make. You could have that bracketed under your sink, and then you're just kind of unscrewing that. I just wanted to highlight how easy it was. So you buy a new filter like this, isolate the water that's running through your filter. The filter will be in line between a tap and your tap. Get rid of any broken plastic that's in there. Make sure the O-ring still has good integrity. So O-rings can obviously get quite compressed over time. This one's got a good shape to it still. Put the filter in, screw it back up, and it's simple as that. So that's got a replaced filter now, and then you'd give it a bit of a tighten. Similar to the manifold fittings that I've spoken about in videos before, you don't want to tighten this up too tight because you're going to crush the O-ring. The O-ring needs, I guess, to do its work. That's tight enough. So this, I guess, in a normal situation would be in line. You'd isolate the water, let the water drain out, take the filter cartridge apart, put a new filter in, put it back together, turn your water back on, bleed any air out of the system. Really important when you put a new filter in to flush water through it for, I don't know, 5 or 10 minutes. You'll get a sense for when it's done. The water will be quite clear, and it's washed away anything that was on the filter from the manufacturing process. So that's it, really simple.